It's a crispy, cold night in the town of Everyday. And Mya is excited because there's a Halloween fancy dress party.
Arr! I'm a pirate! Boo! You're a great ghost, Sammy. Oh.
It's Mama and Dadigo, all dressed up.
I love your costumes.
And you both look wonderful too.
I think you'll do very well in the fancy dress competition.
Arr! Boo!
That's a great boo you've got there.
Huh?
Sammy's not having much luck scaring people.
Aw. Come on. We don't want to be late for the Halloween fancy dress competition. Let's go. Boo?
Poor Sammy. I'm sure he'll have more luck at the fancy dress competition. Mya and Sammy have arrived at the party.
Hello, Miss Teach.
Hello. Oh, what super costumes you all have.
I am the most terrifying pirate to ever sail the seas.
You're a fantastic pirate, Mya, but I'm afraid I don't scare very easily. I just never get frightened.
Not even on Halloween?
Not one bit. Now, Mya, in a minute, I'll be judging the scariest costume competition. So good luck.
Oh, there's Tommy Stop, Ruby Meg, Lucy Help, Sophie Play, and Emily Share.
Roar. What are you dressed as, Tommy?
I'm a deep sea diver. Being underwater can be quite scary sometimes.
I like your teapot costume, Sophie, and your teacup, Lucy.
Is it time for tea? Why, yes, I think it is. I'm a vampire princess.
You look like a normal princess to me.
I am a normal princess, but it's Halloween, so I'm calling myself a vampire princess.
And I'm a dinosaur. Roar. That's not a very loud roar, Emily. I don't want to scare people.
Hi,
Sammy. Boo.
Great ghost costume.
Very scary. Aw.
Oh dear, all Sammy wants to do is give someone a fright on Halloween and eat a cookie or two.
Okay, children, I'm starting the judging now, and the scariest costume will get the Halloween rosette.
Ooh.
Looks like Sammy's had enough of the party already.
Aw.
Enjoy yourselves. I'll just be walking around, looking at all your costumes and writing down my score.
Everyone else seems to be having a fabulous time.
Very original indeed, Tommy, and not the easiest costume to dance in with those flippers.
I'm not dancing. I'm swimming, Miss Teach. Watch out. Here comes a big scary fish.
Okay, who's next?
Arr, shiver me timbers.
Wonderful, Mya. If I didn't know it was you, I'd think there was a real pirate in the room.
I am a real pirate, which is why I'm so scary. Arr.
Mya seems to have impressed Miss Teach.
Ah, Sophie Play and Lucy Help. You are by far the scariest teapot and teacup I've ever seen.
Oh, banana coming through.
And what do we have here? Who's inside this costume, then? What did they say?
I don't know.
Well, a talking banana is scary enough for me. I wouldn't want to find you in my fruit bowl. Okay, then. I think I've seen everybody. All I have to do now is pick a winner. That's not going to be easy at all. Everybody scored very highly. Oh.
How will Miss Teach choose the best costume when they're all so good?
Boo!
Ah! Goodness me. This little ghost just gave me a fright.
This is Sammy. Hello.
Hello, Sammy. You know, I've never been given a fright before, but it's actually rather fun.
Well done. You scared Miss Teach. Yay!
And I think I'm ready to announce the winner of the scariest costume competition. The prize goes to Sammy Go for having the scariest costume and the best boo I've ever heard.
You did it, Sammy. You were the scariest out of everyone. Boo! Ah!
It's a starry night in the town of Everyday, and Dadigo is making a teepee for Mya and Sammy Go in their bedroom.
Can we help, Dada?
I'm nearly done. Ta-da! 1 teepee for 2 happy campers. What do you think?
I think Sammy Go is impressed.
Wow! Pillow!
Dadigo has done a tip-top teepee-tastic job this time, hasn't he?
Thank you, Dada. I can't wait to go to sleep.
Snuggle in. Night-night.
Big light on.
Your nightlight is on. Just over there, Sammy.
Too dark. Big light on for Mr. Bunny?
Is Mr. Bunny afraid of the dark?
Huh? Here you go, Sammy.
Mya has a great idea.
You can use my torch for light, if you like. On, off. See? Now you have your own light. For you, and for you, Mr. Bunny.
Mr. Bunny doesn't look that scared of the dark.
What do you say, Sammy? Lights off?
On, off.
If you need me, Sammy, just call out.
Okay.
Sweet dreams, cozy campers.
Night, Dada. Night, Sammy.
Sammy Go can't sleep. Too many noises in the night and... Oh, hello.
Mya, monster.
Quick, Mya Go, turn on the light.
Huh? I can't see any monsters.
But he's sure he saw a...
Monster!
But there's no such thing as monsters.
It can't be a monster, can it? Monster! There's a monster in there.
There's no such thing as monsters, but if there was, they'd be no match for Mama and Dada Go.
Okay. Mama, you take the front. I've got you covered. Ready?
Mama and Dadigo are on monster patrol.
All clear, Dada Go.
Fee you. Now, this teepee is officially a monster-free zone.
But the monster comes out in the dark. Big! Scary!
Big and scary?
Where?
Dada, the monster is in here. Look! There it is!
Aha!
That's just the shadow of the cuddly toy lion. See?
Oh!
Watch this. Mya, shine your torch on the sheet.
Greetings, Earthlings!
We come from space. We are shadow aliens.
When you block the light, it creates a shadow. See if you can guess what this is. I like carrots and I hop, hop, hop.
Bunny!
Hello, Sammy. I'm Shadow Bunny.
And a woofing rascal.
Look out, Bunny Shadow. It's a shadow doggy.
It looks like Doggy Go has heard a noise.
They're only shadows, Doggy Go. Can I have a go? I'm big and furry. I have paws with claws, and I like to sleep a lot during the winter. What am I? Where? Rawr, rawr. You're right. My turn. Rawr. I think I know what that is. It's a shadow monster. My monster.